This The Rich Company property video is presented by J. Martin. Come and see this charming historic home in the energized riverfront small town of Washington, NC. With restored hardwood floors, 5 bedrooms, a spacious kitchen and large open and fenced backyard, this is an ideal home for family or retirement. Located within an easy walk or bike ride of Washington's vibrant downtown, with numbers of restaurants and shops, and only 2 blocks from the Pamlico River, this move-in ready home is ideally positioned for the new owners to celebrate all the surrounding amenities. Built in 1879 and restored to its glory, the home features 2 downstairs bedrooms with ensuite full bathrooms. In the attached documents we also have very reasonable estimates on adding a downstairs half bath off of the kitchen and a full bathroom upstairs off of the hallway to serve the 3 upstairs bedrooms. Sellers are allowing for an $8,000 credit towards the addition of these bathrooms. With the recent development of the much more expensive but beautiful Moss Landing waterfront subdivision nearby, the properties along E Main and East 2nd Streets have seen a resurgence in interest and attention to detail. Within 3 blocks east find Havens Garden Public Park and recently resurfaced tennis and pickleball courts, plus a public boat access and Backwater Jack's waterfront restaurant. For more information